What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well today. What a crazy day for crypto. Make sure to check out my crypto updates today. Like all of them, of course subscribe, we're on the road to 5k. And please leave a comment below if you find value or you enjoyed today's video update. So today's a little bit different. It's a Twitter reacts to obviously what's going on in the market. So hopefully this is a new style of video I can bring to the channel on top of the analysis that I'm already doing on Bitcoin Quant and HBAR, for example. So yesterday we did close below 18.6k, and we know this is a vital area that we never wanted to lose in the first place since I think it was the 30th of June or the beginning of July. If we go to the Bitcoin chart very briefly, we can see that actually on the 18th of June we lowered at 17.6k, and 18.6k was our first higher low. So going forward, we cannot lose this. If you want to be bullish, you cannot lose this. So that's why from that moment, the 30th of June, I was constantly saying I'm bullish. And even up here I said we do have two M patterns that will take us, they will take us back down to here, but I can't say I'm bearish until you close below. And yesterday we got that close below, and so that's why I've asked you guys today. I want to know what your thoughts are on the market after last night's close below 18.6k, but also today's unconfirmed reclaim. So at that moment it was about 19,000. We're in and around 18.8k. We are still above 18.6k, but I want to know your guys' thoughts in the comments as well. What do you personally think is going on with Bitcoin? Yeah, this is a great talking point and we can all help each other at the moment. Me personally, I do want to see, as I've explained in the Bitcoin update today, go check it out please, but I do want to see us closing above 18.6k. If again we do close below it, that's a very bearish signal. I'll take more consideration into it. Again, prior to us losing this, I was saying if we ever do lose this, this is probably where I'll sell, but I'm not too convinced with this drop. Reason being, there was a clear double bottom on the 2 hour time frame. It's also on the 1 hour. It's a bit messy, so I went on the 2 hour here, and you can see we bounced off of here the second time, and this was that final spinning top over there on the second bottom. That was the daily close. Obviously this is the 2 hour, but that was the final candle of yesterday, the final 2 hour of yesterday. So this opened at 11 and closed at 1 a.m. That's why we see this next candle opening at 1 a.m. And so it was because of that candle I was like, okay, now I can relax. I do believe by the time I wake up we will be above 18.6k. we just now need to confirm it as support. Again, if we going forward, if we do lose 18.6k and this double bottom, then I really have to consider potentially selling some or looking for levels to accumulate. But all the levels that I've spoken about on the channel as targets if we were to ever lose 18.6k is all in today's Bitcoin update and over on Twitter if you want to go check it out. But yeah, let's go over some of the people's thoughts. Ashley is saying, I think we are actually going to fall through and head to 17.5 now. Ashley, I completely agree with you. The fact that we closed below 18.6k is completely negative. However, we do see on the 2 hour time frame that there is some sort of double bottom, and as long as we're above this, then I'm going to say yes, we are bullish. Again, yeah, I know we need to see a daily candle close above 18.6. we have not got that yet. There's still 8.5 hours left, so we cannot get cocky at the moment. These were actually my exact thoughts. I was playing Fortnite last night with a mate of mine from secondary school. When he left secondary school, went to uni, same as me. I eventually quit uni because I got into Forex and crypto, and I started teaching it and just trading, and obviously the investments popping off. I knew that I was earning enough through this than if I continued through uni, left, got a starting salary. I could already see I was going to earn more than that, so I left uni and I just went into this, and he actually did the same thing as well. But yeah, he actually got into crypto 1 year earlier than me, so the bloody bastard's got more crypto than me. But we were basically talking about this double bottom, and he was like, Louis, just relax, like we've got this double bottom. It's such a beautiful sign. This is going to tell us we're at least coming up in the short term. So I wasn't too worried after this daily close. That's why going forward, I want to see another daily close below this as a further confirmation. But going back, let's see what Tasty Bowsy is saying. Oh goodness. When I see crashing meta, woohoo. Okay, guys, I don't know what's going on in here, so we'll we'll move to the next one. Thank you, Tasty Bowsy. So Andre Silver is saying need to retest the EMAs before continue with the downtrend to follow the targets. J Power 75, the rate hike might result in a crab direction market until the next impulse leg up or down. Okay, rate hike, there was this. Not really understanding this, to be honest. Okay, well, thank you, Andre. Sorry, just try and explain it in the comments under. Here, Jens is saying it's just a bunch of whales playing with us. I do agree as well, Jens, because again, we did close below 18.6, meaning that we have validated these bearish targets. However, with today's unconfirmed reclaim, if we were to close above 18.6, you've basically confirmed that yesterday's break under was a fake out, a bear trap. But at the moment, we have not confirmed the close above. If we do so, that is what this move under was a bear trap. If we close back below, this move above was a bull trap, and we should actually continue lower to the target spoken in today's update. But yeah, Mash there saying it's just the whales grabbing some short liquidations as we're coming up before another leg down. He's saying the weekly on the lower time is battling against the 0618 golden pocket. We really need to be we really need to claim a close above this to feel bullish. So he's saying that we actually need to reclaim 19. I can't see where his one fib level's down the weekly. I can't see where his 0 is. 25.2. Okay, so yeah, he's got this. Well, he's got the previous fibs from here we've been speaking about on the channel, from the low to the high over here, and he's saying the level that we really need to reclaim is this 618 20.2 thousand, if I'm correct. 20.2 thousand, yeah, the 618, but he's also using the 065. I haven't used that. I'm not sure about that. Play with that if you want. Let me know in the comments if any of you used that and have played around with that. That would be nice to see. But for me personally, yes, we know that it is. Yes, we know it is this golden pocket over here between 20.2 to 21 point there. That is what you want to reclaim. However, that is if you're solely relying on the fibs. Andre, I just want to, is it Andre? Oh no, it's Mashta this time. So Mashta, I just want to show you that obviously you probably know this already because you've been following the channel for a good while now, so thank you for supporting the channel. If you want to give back to the channel, I know it's the toughest of times at the moment, but if you want to support the channel, go check out the memberships or just send in a super thanks if you're grateful. And then yeah, again, we do actually have a 50% off discount and running until Monday on my 6-hour 30+ video course, Forex and crypto course. If you want to find out more about it, I'll speak about it at the end of this video update. But yeah, let's continue. So Mashta, what I wanted to tell you about this Fibonacci is that with trading, we don't want to solely rely on just one indicator, you know, just the fibs or just the EMAs or just W patterns or just M's or just support and resistance. We need to tie all of them in together. And once we look at all the price action and whatnot, if we were to get rid of all these fibs for the moment, we can see that the higher low is in and around here. If you don't want to take this 18.6k, look, we've got a massive build up of bodies. So it's going to be in and around this area over here, like going across this area to this area. So we got a nice support. Me personally, I've drawn this green box. Now the reason I initially had two green boxes, one like this and that specific line, and then I just drag this up a bit bigger, a bit more, so we can see, yeah, a much larger area of support rather than having a small box over here. It was a bit confusing when we were doing this because there were too many boxes. So I'd rather just, yeah, make that massive box. But a key area in the Fibonacci's, we know if we lose the 618, we're going to the 786. And actually, this is the deepest you're allowed to go before you start reclaiming the 618. What I'm trying to get at is, usually, if we're looking at the black and white rules about the fibs, we have this golden pocket between the 50 and the 618. And if we lose that, you create the reversal wave because it's not a level you should lose. First of all, we are measuring from the low to the high over here. This is the impulse. This is the retracement before you continue. So it's at this golden box which you find support. These are the black and white rules. However, I've seen many times with my own eyes over the last 4 years. Basically experience it over the last 4 years. I've seen you can come under the gold box, bounce from the 786 and actually reclaim it. So you were starting to do that over here, because yes, we closed below the 786 with an instant reclaim and then reclaiming this golden pocket. What I didn't like about this is we ran straight into this resistance, and I told you, because we went up too fast, I believe that we're going to come back down to this previous all-time high. And you can see I was saying this is where I want to find support, because this is what's been sending us up, as you can see previously. So going forward, we really want to see 19,600 holding a support. This is what I want, and I believe from here we will go up. But because we are under these EMAs, this is what could send us down one more time, just like this move to the left, which I also gave you guys out of that descending triangle. But also this massive M pattern, we had targets all the way back down here, and we will, I remember that video so well, telling you guys we have two reasons why we're going to come to 18.5 to 18.6, but because that is the higher low, and if you don't close below it, you're still bullish, so we should expect this pump. But again, you came back down to here. We were expecting for this to hold a support. Unfortunately, it didn't. But we were prepared. Although it wasn't something we wanted, we were prepared because we saw it on the left. But again, as long as you're closing above 18.6, we're good. But unfortunately, we closed below it today. So again, check out today's Bitcoin update with what the thoughts on that are. But yeah, thank you, Mashta, for your input on today's Twitter Reacts. I really appreciate everyone that's been commenting today and supporting the Twitter. So Kyle is also saying it closed fairly close to the 18.6. So he's saying potentially it's not a significant enough break below. That's what Kyle is getting at, I think. Other coins like Quant and XRP have bullish looking EMAs. So yeah, we can just briefly look at that, because some of you guys might not be following these coins. Go check out today's Quant update. We literally spoke about this. We're holding these daily EMAs as support. It's keeping us alive basically. And this range low, we need to hold $83. So yeah, what else did he say? Yeah, so those sorts of cryptos like XRP and Quant are looking bullish. We're above the EMAs, and maybe another close beneath 18.6, and I'll be more inclined to think better. Okay, so Kyle has literally got the exact same thinking as me. Yeah, because it was a bit too close, and like, let's see further confirmations of resistance. You can see straight away we pumped right back into it. If we close above it, you've invalidated this 16, 14 and 10k targets. But we haven't invalidated yet. We haven't closed yet. This is why we can't get too overexcited. Because in reality, guys, we're at 18.9k. Do you think that Bitcoin can't go down $300 easily in the next 8 hours? This is why I'm not confident and overexcited at the moment. Me, I won't make a judgment until I see that daily close. So for the moment, that's why I can only go off yesterday's candle, and that is confirming and telling me we should be bearish. I am bearish. Remember, I've been telling you guys on the channel, I am bullish as long as we're above 18.6. The moment we close below 18.6, I'm bearish. I'm going to really consider moving out of positions, looking to buy low at 16, 14 and 10k. However, I want to see if we're going to first reclaim this level and close above it. If we do, amazing. Good that I didn't sell. If we close below, I have to really think about that. And to be honest, yeah, the max drawdown from here, at least a target, the max target at the moment, this is the only big bearish pattern I'm seeing at the moment, with a 10k target, this massive descending triangle over here. So let's move on. Thank you, Kyle, for your input. Sorry guys, I'm not even liking your tweets. Let's just like all of them, even the bow guy that I didn't understand what was going on. Thank you guys all for your comments. We'll do this more often. And finally, we'll end the video off with Kai, amazing supporter of the channel. Really appreciate it, Kai. He's saying still more interest rates increases to come. Maybe we crab for a while, drop in December just before tax season. Yeah, that's what happened last year, isn't it? Just before the tax season. That's why we dumped off in November, December. Yeah, maybe all the institutions knowing that it's getting close to the end of the financial year in the next year, they want to take some profits early, and then obviously because they have more money, it cascades down, and then the retail panicking. There's just too many dummies here, but it's crazy that there's still a lot of dummies here, to be honest. I thought they were all gonna get washed out, but maybe we need to go down lower to wash them out. But yeah, that was it for today's Twitter Reacts. Please like, let's try and get this video to 50 likes. We probably won't, but I beg you guys try. Thank you again. Like, subscribe, and comment. We have that 50% off, which I'll speak about now. Thank you. Please don't forget, we've also got that 50% off offer until Monday, lasting until Monday. The course is down from £300 all the way to £150. It has got 4 years of experience in the market, £10,000 of that I had to go through, whether that was good courses, bad courses, scams such as master account management, signals, but also good mentorship as well. It took me all of that and the 4 years to get the information I have today. I'm going to go through psychology with you, how to control your emotions, how to avoid trading, these sorts of things, how to plan, how to make a plan. Also, there are strategies that I completely made by myself through the experience in the market, as well as strategies that were taught to me. Everything you need to turn from a beginner, intermediate, and into an advanced trader. Thank you guys so much. Again, let's get this video to over 100 likes. We're on the road to 5k subscribers.